Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I'm getting to you guys a TJ Maxx home goods haul. And I'm saying home goods because I think I have more items of the home goods in here. I actually got some clothing too, but I've separated that because I like to do try on haul, so I've separated the clothing. But this is just the household items that I got actually. Maybe there's a couple of makeup with it. So let me start showing it to you guys without wasting time because these are so heavy and big things that I've got here. So the first one, guys, is this pan or whatever, the cooking pan. And I had got one of these. I think I showed you guys in one of my hauls. I had got one of these in a smaller one. I had got a smaller one, but not it didn't have a cover. It didn't have a lid on it. But this one I got like a bigger one because I liked it so much. It's a very good non-stick. I liked it so much, so I thought I'll pick another one. This is from, I think, Master Chef. From Master Chef. So I got this bigger one which also has a lid on it. So you know that all of us have been at home, and cooking has become such a big part of our life. I feel now, I mean, it's always been part of our life, but it's become really even more important, just staying at home, cooking every day for kids. So I got that one, and I got few other things. I got again another one, same Master Chef, and this is the smaller one. So I got like the same one in like a medium size before. So I thought I picked one with the lid, then I picked one because all my non-sticks are getting a little old, and the one I usually use for like breakfast in the morning, like every day, like for eggs and stuff, that has really become bad right now. So I was like, okay, so I got this one. I wanted to get another one. So this is a skillet, master class skillet, a smaller one. So it's the same thing actually, same, you see this material is the same. Next I got is, I've kept everything down here, guys. Next I got, oh, I'm not sharing the price. My god, it's been so long that I've not done videos that I'm not even sharing the prices. I forgot how to do a haul video, I guess. So this small one was $9.99, and this bigger one was, oh man, it was $19.99. So it was $19.99, and it's really good. It has a wooden handle, and also here this is wooden, so it'll be nice to hold it. Then next I got this one, which is something that you can make, like create noodles with vegetables. So I don't know why I got this, but I just thought, let me try it. You can do it with zucchini, carrot, potatoes, beetroots, cucumber, and also I thought that I will give it a try. If it works, it was $6.99. I don't know if it really works well, but it was $6.99, so I'm gonna give it a try. I found this Cool AF heat protectant spray by Foxy Bay. I thought, let me give this a try. $6.99. It was $6.99, so I'm going to try this one and see if it works as the hair, for the heat protectant. Then another one is again another dish, and this is actually what is this called, like to clean your veggies and stuff. So it is the one with the holes. I don't know what it's called, but you can clean the veggies. It's from some brand called Studio Cuisine. I don't know what that is. It's a 5-quart. One more household item, which is this one. This is the wool dryer balls. The wool dryer balls, and I always use the, what is it called, the static papers, the bounce, and it has very good smell and everything. But I don't know, whenever I fold clothes I get dust allergy, and I don't know what it is. I've tried changing my detergents, like the washing detergent and everything, but I can't like figure out what it is. So then I thought I'll change the those papers too. So nowadays I'm not putting the papers, because before I used to always think that you always need to put that, but then later I learned that actually you don't really need to put it. So I got this one. This is like, doesn't have much, it didn't have any fragrance or anything, but it helps with the staticness. So it's a wool dryer ball, 100% New Zealand wool, and you can use it for a lot of loads. Actually, it was written here somewhere, the number, which I'm finding it hard. Without my glasses I can't see exactly. Oh, it says 1000 plus loads, and I have already used them. So this is how they look, and there are 3 of them. I keep showing in the viewfinder, and there are 3 of them. So I've already, sorry guys, I've already used them, so that's why they are out. I'm not going to put them in again, but these are the 3 that were there inside, and they've already been used. So you can see they're a little bit, they look like they're used. So I don't know, I've already probably used it like 10 times already, and this is how. There's no smell in them, but it helps, I think, with the, with preventing that any kind of staticness in there. So that's it. No, one more. This one actually I already used up one. If you remember, in my, I had showed this Manuka honey. I had got it from where I had got it, Sam's Club or Costco. I think Costco. My Costco haul I had showed you guys. I had got this Manuka honey. So that one is, I think, Comvita is the brand. So I found this one, and then of course I checked the expiry date, everything. It has 2021 expiry date on here. So there, where it is. Yeah, 2023 expiry date. So it has 4/11/2023 expiry date, so it was good. And it is the Manuka honey, but this is like Australian Manuka honey. I think the one we get at Sam's Club, or like, sorry, Costco, is called Comvita, and it is I think it's New Zealand. I think it's the New Zealand's honey. So this is Australian honey. So I don't know how much difference, but this says MGO 100 plus, and I think that one said MGO 10 plus, and this says 100 plus. So I thought, okay, let me try it, and this was $19.99, and they usually retail, at least the one I got from Costco was in that 30 range, I think $36 or $37, and this one, I got this bottle for $20, and the expiry date is fine. And then I got two makeup items. First one is this, what's this called? Bobbi Brown eye palette. Now I have no idea why I got this, because I don't know, I think I was just bored. I wanted to get some makeup, and that's why I feel like I ended up buying this. And this is the Silky Feel Lustrous Finish Chromatic Look, and it was expensive too, so I don't know, maybe I should give it back. Eye palette, Molten Drama, Bobbi Brown's Molten Drama. That is how it looks. Let me show you inside. I'm not going to swatch it or anything, just because I don't know, I may change my mind, but there, Molten Drama, and it has all like this smoky colors, and there it is. So it has all the browns, and then a little bit of this greenish blue here, and then all kind of brown shades, so it's very warm, and lot of, all the top ones are metallic, so it looked nice, and I love the browns in here, brown and like that purpley shade. Yeah, something that goes with our skin tone very well, so that's why I got it, but I'm not sure that I'll keep it. So that is Molten Drama from Bobbi Brown, and it was expensive. I think that's why I'm thinking of giving it back. I don't know how much it retails for. Maybe it retails in almost 60s, I think, because it was $39.99. It was $40 after discount. That means probably is retailed in like 60 plus somewhere. So that's the last item, guys. No, not last, sorry, another one. I have another one which you would have seen in my TJ Maxx video, where I'm shopping at TJ Maxx. I picked this up. So this has two, this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Duo. So it has two liners in there, and but anyway, nothing can beat my Stila Stay All Day Liquid Eyeliner. Nothing can beat that. I've not found anything that matches that, because it lasts for so long. If you get one, it lasts for a long time. Kat Von D, I had got one before, a mini one, and it dried out pretty quick. And another one I had got from Tarte, that's horrible. That dried out like so quick. And for me, I need the products to last a little bit longer, because I'm not someone who uses products every day. So I want it to last longer. So if there's someone who you can rely on or ask about products, how long they are going to be used or sustainable, it's me. You can ask me, because I usually keep them for long, whether it's foundation or anything. So I know like whether it lasts for long or not. And this one has two, that's why I got it. And it has the tattoo liner, and this tattoo liner is something I've already tried before. Oh my god, I don't know what's happening, guys. I'm dropping everything today. Okay, sorry. And then I got this one, which is the dagger liner. So this is a little bit thicker. So if you see, the tip is a little more thicker to do like a line or something. So so you can see it's a little bit thicker liner. And the other one is like the regular tattoo liner, which has like a thin tip. If you see that it has a thin tip. So that's just like thinner, yeah, just a little bit thinner, and then the other one is thicker. So it has two, which is pretty good. So that's why I got it. And it was, I don't know how much it's retailed for, but I got it for $4.99. So thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it for today. See you in my next video, and take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and love you all. Bye, guys.